Hey, welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the timeline basics in CapCut so you can cut faster and edit with more control. We'll cover zooming, the playhead, trimming methods, and the main timeline tools, all in plain steps you can follow. Before we move ahead, let's add a few video clips by clicking the plus key or by dragging it directly to the timeline. To zoom the timeline, hold Control and press the plus key to get in closer, and Control plus minus to zoom back out. My favorite way is to hold Control and scroll the mouse wheel up or down. It feels smoother and faster when you're moving around the edit. You can also use a slider for it. If you stretch too long, click Zoom to Fit button or Shift Z. The playhead is the thin white marker that shows where you are in the video. Drag it to scrub through your footage and you'll see a live preview as it moves. There are 3 simple ways to trim clips. First, split at the playhead by clicking the split icon or pressing Ctrl B, then delete the parts you don't need. Second, drag the start or end of the clip in or out to change the length. Third, use the shortcuts Q and W to trim quickly. Q cuts everything before the playhead, and W cuts everything after. Along the toolbar, you'll find tools you'll use all the time with their shortcut names: undo and rado, split, delete right, and delete left, delete and marker to mark edit points. You also have a crop button to reshape the clip. Freeze frame button so you can capture and extend the frame from the clip to increase its length of short clip. Reverse button will make video play in reverse. Mirror button to flip the clip. Rotate to adjust the look. CapCut added a few new AI-related buttons recently in the timeline bar too. But they all come with a pro-paid version, as this video is just for beginners. So I stick to the basics. That's the timeline workflow I use every time I edit. Try the Control Scroll Zoom, practice the 3 trimming methods, and play with the toolbar tools to see what fits your style.